Yes, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much again. Welcome you back to my YouTube channel. My name is Odon Fred. Now, we are going to look at this other part still of information literacy. We are calling this one research topics to published works. So in this topic here, ladies and gentlemen, here we are going to look at, of course, step one. We are going to define and deconstruct like utopic. So before searching, you must break utopic into its core concepts. Most researchers use the PICO framework, that is population, intervention, comparison, and outcome, or simple concept mapping. Then after you identify keywords, in this identification of the keywords, you are expected to write down your main topic and outline the 2 to 3 pillars, that is the nouns. So you go ahead and brainstorm the synonyms, databases, literal. If you search for teenagers, you might miss papers using the word adolescent. Example, look at this topic here, the impact of social media on the sleep patterns of colleges. So the concept here is social media, then Instagram, the TikTok, and sleep. So all this comes under that. So these are the examples under the first step. So after the first step, in step 2, you move to what is called choose the right hunting grounds. So the right hunting ground here, not all search engines are equal. For a publishable work, you need peer-reviewed data. So the general academic Google Scholar or Microsoft Academic, here the subject specific can talk of medicine, science, talk of this other one, science direct, the psychology, also sociology, all those, and even the engineering techniques. So we also have that. Then the institutional libraries, here you use your university login to access paywall free. So in another step, which is step 3, you are going to apply advanced search techniques. So in the advanced search techniques, this is where you use the truncation and wildcards that we discussed earlier to refine your results. So still, we shall also look at, you will need to consider still the Boolean operators. Remember in the previous discussion, we said the Boolean operators here, we are referring to an or not. So under the first Boolean operator, which is an, here it will narrow the results, like topic A plus topic B, you find is narrow. Then under or, as one of the operators still, it broadens results, that is synonym A plus synonym B. Then the not operator here, it excludes irrelevant terms. Example, make sure you not planet if you are studying the environment. If you study the element. So phrase searching, always use quotation marks to find an exact phrase. Example, climate change, you can see here I put in quotation. So you put that in quotation. Then there is truncation, and truncation here used to find variations. Example, pollute for pollution, pollutants, or we can even talk of polluting. So in step 4, still as a wind up, it is called the snowballing technique. We can even call it backward and forward. So with this one, as the name suggests, backward and forward, once you find one perfect paper, use it to find 20 more. Backward snowballing, here we look at the reference list of that paper. These are the foundations that the author used. Then still under it, we have forwarding or forward snowballing. So with this forward snowballing, this is where you use Google Scholars, like cited by feature, where this shows you the newer papers that have reference, the one that you're going to read, allowing the most recent development. So we have this other one, which is now step 5. In step 5, we call it screen for quality. which is also known as the quick filter. Don't read every word yet. Use a high-speed vetting process to discard noise. Then after that, you move an abstract. Talk of abstract and conclusion. With abstract and conclusion, here you will read this first. If the findings don't align with your variables, then at this point you can stop there. Then there's this other we're calling the 5-year rule. With this 5-year rule, it is actually focusing on talk of for STEM technology. You prioritize sources from the last 5 years to ensure your work is current. So this one deals with, of course, prioritizing sources like the last 5 years so that results is current. Then we have journal credibility. Ensure the source is peer reviewed. Then you check on the impact as you are aiming for IATI publication. Then the last one here is the CRAB test. Of course, this one just deals with talk of like you can say quickly verify currency, relevance, authority, or even accuracy. Then we have step 6. In step 6, you're going to organize. We say organize with a reference manager. So in this one here, never manually track your sources. Use software to automate your bibliography and PDF storage. Then after that, pick a tool where you use Zotero, which is free, or Mendeley, or you can use this part, EndNote, from the EndNote. Then after you move to, there's this one, Brower extension. So instant, the save to button to clip papers directly from your site. Here it will result into your library with just one click. So this one you just make one click and there it brings it out. Then there's tagging. With tagging here you're going to label sources by theme, like your son can talk with theory, opposing view, data, where you can find them instantly when writing. Then after that, the last part of it, still in that step 6, you're going to, we're saying you cite as you write. Cite as you write. So with this one, use the software plugin in Word or Google Docs to perfect citations and bibliographies automatically. So thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. That is all that we have here. You just follow those steps and here the thing comes. Thank you so much. Have a good time, but don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Said there were two that were ready.